Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. This is SDS. So in this video I am going to teach you the common error, the word able. So you can say that this video about the common error or grammatical mistake. This is a common error or grammatical mistake are similarly the same. So let's start. The able. So first example. So I'm writing the first example. One man is able to destroy the whole world. Here I am using the is able. The man is able. The man is able. The word able. The common error, the using of the word able. So no, this is a common mistake. The one man is capable. So this is a common error and this is correct. One man is capable to destroy the whole world. Why I am using is capable, the logic. If someone is able to do something, they do it and it is not unusable or surprising if they do it. So if someone able to do something, they can do it and it is not unusual or surprising if they do it. When you are using able and when you are using the capable. So if someone is capable of doing something, so the man is capable to destroy, is capable to destroying. This is the correct, is capable to destroy. When you are using the word capable, C-A-P-A-B-L-E, capable always use the of, capable of doing something. Always use the capable of doing something. So the one man is capable of doing, of destroying. Doing means destroying. So the one man is, so one man is capable of destroying. So use the always is capable of destroying, capable of doing something, destroying the whole world. Because I'm using the capable. So why I'm using the capable? The logic is if someone is capable of doing something, they actually the one man is capable of destroying the whole world. The man, they do not usually do it. The man usually do not do it, but it is possible for them to do it if they want. As an example, I am sure he is quite capable of getting here on time, but he can't be bothered. The power station is capable of generating enough electricity for the whole region. And when you are using the able, if someone is able to do something, they can do it, and it is not unusual. The destroying the whole world, it is the unusual, it is not a usual work. It is a unusual. And when you are using the able, and it when the something is not unusual or surprising, but it is surprising, they destroying the whole world, one man is capable of destroying, it is surprising. So don't use the able. As an example, the doctor said that after a few days I would be able to get out of bed. It is a first example. So second example. So I hope you have understood. So if not understood, kindly leave a comment on leave a comment. I will try to answer your question. So there are so many places. There are so many places to visit. Place to visit in India. That I am not able to decide where to go. You can see here I use the word able. So here the able is the common error. So the right answer is London. That I am not. This is that I can't decide where to go. That I cannot decide, that I can't decide, this is a error, and this is a correct. I can't decide it. So again, the another example, we were not able to stop language. We were not able to stop laughing. So we weren't able to stop laughing. Here I use the word able. So this is the common error. We couldn't. We couldn't stop laughing. This is the common mistake. Always use the couldn't. And now I am explaining you the main logic. Where you would use the couldn't or can't. So with verbs of perception as an example, see, hear, smell. As an example, see, hear, smell, and verb of the mind. As an example, understand. This is the verb of perception. This is verb of perception and verb and the verbs of the mind. Verb of the mind: understand, decide. This is the verb of the mind, or this is the verbs of perception. When you are using the verb of perception and verb of the mind, VM, verb of the mind, always use cannot and could not. You usually use can or cannot. So as an example, I cannot hear you. Could you speak a bit loud, please? Here I am using the could you speak a bit loud, please? And I can't hear you. I think I can smell something burning. Having met her a new boss, I can see why she doesn't like him. These are examples. So where you should use the word cannot and could not. So this. Now example 3. In some countries, in some countries you are not able to drink until you are 21. The third example: in some countries you are not able to drink until you are 21. I'm using the able, the word able. Here is to use able. Here is the common error. So the right is you can't drink until you are 21. So this is you can't drink. You can't. I am using the can't. This is the correct answer. Now I am explaining you where you should use the can't when the main logic for action that are controlled by laws or rules, because in some countries you can't drink until you are 21, because this is the drink until you are 21. The drink is the rules or law. When the action that are controlled by laws or rules, you must use the can and cannot, or be not allowed to. As an example, now that they are both 16, they can get married. They can get married because now they are both 16 because they are both they are both 16 year age, 16 age, so they can get married. So here I am using the, but this is a right. If they able to get married, this is a common error. Don't use the able to. And now I am going to the fourth and last example. Example technology. Technology has made them able to grow their own food, So here I'm using the word able. So technology has made them able to grow their own food. Here I use the word able. This able is common error. So why the common error? The right answer is the technology has enabled them to grow their own food. Technology has enabled them to grow their own food. Here the has enabled. This is the right, and this is technology has made them able to grow. This is a common error, but most of the American and US people made the same mistake. Made them able to grow their own food. The technology has enabled them to grow their own food. So now I am explaining you why when you should use the word enable. When makes someone able to do something. Enable makes someone able to do something. Make someone able. Here you can see the technology has enabled, so it makes someone to able to do something. Who able to do something? Which able to do something? This technology has enabled them. So enable make someone. The technology make someone there. Someone means there, able to do something. What able? To make their own food. So today I have discussed the common error of able. I have given the example 1, 2, 3, 4. Capable is capable of, and the second 3 and 4. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.